Alright, so here's just a little overview of my vanity. So this vanity is from IKEA. I will link her down below because I can't remember the name of her. So is this mirror. She was kind of expensive, but I love her to death. She was definitely worth the money. I love how big she is. Let's just pan up a little bit. She is one big girl, but I love her, and I don't know. What more can I say about a mirror? She makes the room. And then this chair is a dupe for the ghost chair. I found her online. I literally just googled ghost chair dupe and she came up. I ordered her. She was like $60, which is, you know, expensive, but way cheaper than a ghost chair, and she's definitely one of my top purchases of all time. So starting on the left is just my Muji 5-drawer acrylic case with all my lipsticks in it. So the top drawer is liquid lips. So I have a lot of Kat Von D, Kylie, Random, NYX, Too Faced, Stila, stuff like that. And then I have more liquid lips in the second drawer. I have a little L'Oreal Infallible paint because I didn't know where to put her, to be honest. I have lip pencils in here. And then down here I have more lip pencils, lipsticks in here, and I'm such a neat freak. I need it all to be perfect, except I just gotta point out my two favorite lipsticks of all time. These are Charlotte Tilbury, Hepburn Honey, and Nude Kate. Absolute favorite lipsticks on the entire planet. And I'm actually wearing Hepburn Honey right now. In this drawer I just have all my lip glosses. I have a lot of Buxom because I absolutely love their lip gloss formula. It's plumping, it has color, it's absolutely perfect. But when I don't want color, this is my favorite Too Faced lip injection, which I'm also wearing right now over the Hepburn Honey. And then just some other little randos that I use. And then in this drawer I have lip liners. I don't really use lip liners that often, to be honest. So I don't have that many, except for some dark colors since they're a little bit necessary when you wear dark colors. But for nudes, I feel like, I don't know, I just don't need lip liner, so I don't use it that often. And then I just have some lip balms right here. To the right, I just have a glass jar I got from Michaels with some leaves I also got from Michaels. I have these jam jars actually from my house because my parents like to save the jam jars for some reason, so I thought they looked cute, so I used them. And then I just have my face brushes in there, eye brushes in there, as well as tweezers and the little eyebrow scissors, whatever stuff. And then I have Q-tips right there, and then I have a candle on top of some books and a Vogue magazine right there because it looked cute. By the way, those books are Milk and Honey and The Princess Saves Herself in this one. So on the left hand drawer, I just have my Urban Decay setting spray. I normally have a pack of Neutrogena wipes right there, but I'm out. I keep some of my filming gear back there, which is why that space is empty. And then my mirror I use every day. I got this from the Container Store or something like that. No, Bed Bath & Beyond, and she lights up. This is some extra powders I have. So I have my MAC Mineralized Skin Finishes, which I love. Random other powders that I haven't used up yet. Some sample powders. This is all my extra face makeup. So I have a lot. Tinted moisturizers, foundations that aren't my color right now, extra primers, extra concealer on this side, e.l.f., Fenty, NARS, Maybelline. Please go back. So this container is just, I don't even know what to say for it. It's a whole bunch of random stuff. So let's just dive into this. Stila glitters right here, this little Milk makeup shimmer thing. This was my first eyeshadow I ever purchased, so I kept her. She's from Pink. I don't know, she just has sentimental value to me, I guess. That's why my YouTube is named Mascara and Sparkles, because I used to literally just wear mascara and these sparkles to school every day in 7th grade, if you were wondering. I have some fake blood from Mayron that I use for Halloween. I have, what is this? It's like a white paint stick that I also use for Halloween. Oil absorbing sheets, random samples. This Wet n Wild little palette of paints. This Hello Kitty lipstick, which is the only thing I've ever kept due to packaging. It's from the MAC Hello Kitty collection from literally forever ago, like 2006, 2007, 2008, who even knows, girl. So in this container right here, I just have extra brow products and mascaras. So I just have a lot of random, like, Anastasia. I think I have 2 different Anastasia colors because I love their brow products. I have this like blue mascara that I haven't gotten to use yet. I got a little sample from Sephora when I ordered something, so I need to use that sometime soon. Next, what are you? Benefit, all that good stuff right there. And then this has all my falsies in it. So this is my favorite pair of lashes of all time, the Andrea 53 lashes. Is it even focusing? Probably not. But these are just like half lashes. They cover like half your eye, and they're so versatile and they're so easy to use. These are like the one pair of lashes I would recommend to beginners. I would not recommend anything else, not even single lashes. Like if you're going to start with lashes, start with these babies. They're so easy to get the hang of. And then, you know, you just go up from there. Got some wispies, got some Sephora lashes underneath. And yeah, that is that drawer. And then the right hand drawer is where the fun begins. So this is all my everyday stuff, as well as all my eyeshadow and all my eye products. So we're just gonna start on this side. So this is my everyday face products. So I got some concealer, I got Fenty, got Jeffree Star. I gotta be honest, this is the best concealer I've ever used in my entire life. Even though all that drama kind of rubbed me the wrong way about him, his products are bomb AF, and that's tea. Then I got my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is my favorite primer of the moment. Got a Fenty stick, Glam Glow moisturizer. I've been mixing this with my foundation to make it a little bit lighter, a little bit glowy. Love it. Tarte Shape Tape, obviously. Fit Me powder, just using it up. It's decent, but I think I want to find a new everyday powder. Hoola bronzer, favorite thing ever. And then, you know, the holy grail, Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've been wearing her since probably junior year of high school, senior year. I think there's even a video of me trying it on. Honestly, I don't even know, but love her. This is all my random tools, eyelash applicators, beauty blender, this little beauty blender eyeliner thing, best thing ever. Back here I have some face palettes, so I don't even know if I can do this with one hand. This little Be a Light thing. I have Anastasia Contour Kit, which I've only had for like a year, and look what's happened. So that's kind of sucky. And then this BH Cosmetics blush palette. I think it has 10 blushes. She's the bottom because she's the biggest. So I'm gonna just go ahead, put those all back. Right here I just have all my highlighters, which is kind of funny that I only have Becca highlighters, but let's be real, these have the best highlighter formula of all time. I've tried a bunch of other highlighters, and these babies, these are it. Then I have my everyday eye stuff, which is, you know, just a whole hodgepodge of like eyeliners, favorite mascara ever, Too Faced Better Than Sex, primer potion, clear brow gel, my Anastasia brow pencil. Right here I have all my blushes. So back here I have some Benefit, NYX, MAC. These are falling over. I feel like I'm missing blushes, but I can't figure out which ones I'm missing or where they are. I feel like I'm definitely missing like 2 blushes, 2 MAC blushes. But I have no idea where they are or where they went. And then, what is this? Milani, NARS, Urban Decay. Right here I have some just like cream eyeshadows and little eyeshadow singles. Really just single eyeshadows, random stuff right here. MAC loose pigments. And yeah, this isn't really an interesting container, just, you know, randos that I don't really use that much, to be honest. Except for, where are you? This little Stila sample I got. And then right here, I just have more eyeliners and jumbo eye pencils that are ones that I don't use every day. So yeah, I really have every color of eyeliner. I don't know what to tell you about that because I never wear them, but I need to because I have them all. But that's that. And then let's get on to the eyeshadow palettes. So I gotta be honest, this is a little bit raised right here. It's bothering me a little bit because recently I got the James Charles palette, and so before they were all perfectly, you know, in line. These are all the Urban Decay Naked palettes, minus the Smoky palette. I was not a fan of her, so I gave her away. Then I have my Urban Decay Basics little palettes right here, which I love. Right here I just have Too Faced Matte Eye, an Inglot palette I made, NARS, what is this, a duo in Madrog? I literally have no idea how to say that, so I'm just gonna put the name on the screen, and yeah, someone let me know in the comments down below how to say that word because I have no idea. Back here I have my, what are you called, Visart Natural Matte Palette. I love this palette to death. I've only had it for 6 months though, and she is broken. I literally just opened her one day and she like broke in the back, so that's kind of annoying. My Urban Decay Electric palette, and then my Natasha Denona Gold palette, which is everything. And then, as I said before, down below, my James Charles palette, which is also kind of everything. So that is that on my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, you can't even see my face. Alright, I fixed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and check out my most recent video if you haven't already.